I have a bit of an update. So, I know it's been a while, but just going back to my Emperor's Children project that I'm still on the fence if I should be selling or keeping. Just to give a reminder of what we have in stock, we have 12 Noise Marines, 6 Blade Masters, 2 Lord Exultants to lead the charge, 20 units of Tormentors, and 10 units of Infractors, or it's the other way around, I just never remember. So a really good start to Emperor's Children. This was our trade up for the Chaos/Imperial Knight, and then we managed to trade for £10, essentially a Fabulous Bile, but it's missing a bunch of kit. But I still got enough of the kits to be Fabulous Bile. I just need to do a bunch of kit bashing on him and his minion. And I think the plan is still to basically take a massive base, I think this is 50 millimeters, and to make it essentially a winged or a unwinged Demon Prince proxy. And I think that'll be, it fits in the lore very well. And I've got 2 models, and if I just make the base big enough, I think that's going to be fantastic. So I'm very excited about that. But the reason we're here today is this. I made another trade. Huge value. I would never have done this if it wasn't a steal. I honestly was more on the fence of that I was going to sell my Emperor's Children army, but an offer came in that was just too good to be true, and now we actually might have work to do. So without further ado, some very old plastic though. Okay. Gosh. Whew, it is smelly. So I think this is the most important one. Okay, you can see this guy's started to do something. So let's get him out the way. So this is the entire reason I started to message this owner, was that I saw that he had a used Lucius that he was trying to get rid of in trade. However, it was with a bunch of other models that he wanted about £65 for. And then I asked him how much just for the Lucius, and I was hoping to pay £10, which is very cheap for a new model, which I'm now realizing he might not have even done. This could be, I'm sure it's not a scam. I can see the whip, so let's just slowly get our boy out there. Is that a Lucius? Whoops. It is Lucius. Whose body is that though? Okay. 2. I'll be honest with you, I've got no idea whose bodies, what these are. I've got to ask the owner, I guess. But that's the boy that we wanted. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Honestly, you guys can comment down below what you think of the paint job, but most importantly for me is we got a Lucius. So we have the Lucius, and he's got his tactical rock. So Lucius, tactical rock, and then the massive whip that would then come around. So all in all, very happy. Just now, cool. So Lucius being delivered. Once again, if you guys know what these things are, let me know. I've got no idea what they are. Some Slanesh demon nets maybe, but I've never seen this Joker one, but definitely looks like a demon net as well, but just I don't know if it's an official model. Let's go to the next goodie bag since we're on a roll. This guy's a legend for packing it like this, making me feel very safe. But just okay, cool. These are the Age of Sigma models that we needed. Well, I don't even know if we need them, but it's the Age of Sigma models that we got. It's so strange. Okay. Packed snug as a bug. I think these are the... It's not metal, is it? What the hell? That's Zinch. That's 100% Zinch. Okay. There's a claw. Oh. A nice big banner. And a body. Okay. The Zinch model confuses me, but whatever. It has to be like that. Okay, I'm not going to fixate too much on it, because... Okay, so for a fact, these three should be in a squad of 5. These, I don't know. This banner is way too big. And then that Zinch model shouldn't be there. Making progress, though. Okay, cool. This is the missing squad. So I always just do legs. So body 1. There's the leg. 2. Back of the body 3. So 1, 2. Okay, 2 models. 3, 4. 4 models. Roughly, I'm assuming a shit ton of access points. I have no idea what these are for. They look tiny. Guardsman? Is that Chaos? That looks like Imperial Guard. There's the Sidneals. Okay, useless sprue. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chaos Terminators. So I just don't know if it's enough, but it looks like enough. So we got 5 Chaos Terminators, Neon Sprue, which was meant to be there. I have no idea what these are. These look like demon parts. Definitely demons. Which demons? I have no idea. But we got some demon bodies here. Oh, very nice. Oh, okay, cool. 5, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 5, 6, 7 goes there. 8, 9, and 10. Okay, cool. So we have the final missing tormentors or infractors, 10 of them. We have the squad of chaos terminators, new on sprue, so 5 of them. Okay, I think he's messed up on the sprues. I might have to message him, but I'm seeing 1. Okay, I might have to message him. I'm not too sure, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the long creatures, and then this one is the wrong creature, so I will definitely and then we have the riders, which I'm told I can use them as demonettes and then just not put them on top of the mounts, but I think I'm going to put them on top of the mounts because they seem really nice. And then these are the chickies, so these are the wrong sprue. And then these, wow, these, you can see the dust that's been, these are very old. These look like chaos creatures or hoarding things, like the pink and blue stuff from Slanesh, but I'm not too sure. Anyway, I paid £40 for all of this. Let me know what you think. It is kind of crazy. It is kind of all over the place, but it's kind of funny. So it's a fun project to add to the Emperor's Children project. Like I said, I'm really happy about the Chaos Terminators. I'm really happy about the character, really happy about the 10. So even there, I'm quite happy. And now I've just got to see if I can get this squad of 5 Seekers online, or I can kit bash the 5 Riders into becoming 5 Demonettes. I'm not too sure what's better. You guys can let me know down below. I trust you regarding playing Warhammer more than I do. But catch you guys later. Bye.